Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to rename a Bluetooth device. Start with prerequisites. Your iPhone 16 unlocked and Bluetooth on. Open Settings, then Bluetooth, because that shows active and remembered devices. Once you see the device you want to change, tap the small info icon to access its details. You do this to reach the editable name field. This is the first actionable step. Make sure the device is nearby and connected or recently connected, so the name change will apply immediately. Now you'll change the actual name. Tap the name field in the device's detail view. This exposes the keyboard so you can type. Use a clear, short name so other devices can identify it quickly. Avoid special characters that some gadgets don't support. Once you've typed the new label, press Done or Return to commit the change. The phone updates its local record and broadcasts the new name when the device reconnects. If you want consistency, repeat for multiple devices the same way. Finish by disconnecting and reconnecting the device so the new name propagates to paired gear. Many accessories only refresh their display at reconnection. If the name doesn't update, toggle Bluetooth off and on or restart your iPhone to force a refresh. Make sure the accessory supports custom names, otherwise the change may not appear on that device. If issues persist, reset network settings as a last resort, but be aware this removes Wi-Fi passwords and other paired devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.